Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Carrie over at Carrie's Crafts. She is hosting a birthday challenge giveaway. Her channel will be linked down below so you can check out all of her challenge entry rules. She's requesting a blank greeting card and a get to know you note, sort of like a pen pal letter, and entries are due before April 30th. I am sending her a flat basic card so I can fit my entry inside. She did request flat mail only. This is the little postcard that I'm sending her that has some of my information on the back. I pulled this postcard out from one of these For the Love of Paper books. They have tons of cute little stationery items in those. This is the birthday card that I'm sending her. I used a Sizzix die for the cupcake. I did stamp the inside with the sentiments, and I'm also including an envelope. I am going to sneak in a few of my dewdrops that do match the card in case she wants to add some of her own to the card before sending it out. That is my entry for Carrie over at Carrie's Crafts. Carrie, I hope you have a great birthday. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.